Alright, here comes Amtrak Coast Starlight 14. 14 is an even number, so it means northbound. You can tell that it's not Amtrak Cascades and that it's the Coast Starlight because the cars look like the same ones they use on the Empire Builder. They're a lot taller. If you got a shorter car, it's the Cascades from Eugene to Portland. The first time you could see the Empire, or this, well, yeah, the first time you could see the Empire would be no sooner than Portland because they got one that originates from there. And as far as I know, they're not running those right now due to weather. It's like we got our normal consist and then our observation car. Some of these are sleepers, some of them are coach. Amtrak 14 is on time today. The 11 is going to be extremely late. All the other trains look like they were on time. And there it is, Amtrak Coast Starlight 14, northbound. Stay tuned for more.